Hey guys, Anthony here, and in this video I'm going to showcase one of the human spokespersons, Sarah, in Easy Magic video, and I've used one of the YouTube marketing scripts in this demo.
Hello, and thank you for taking the time to view this message. Did you know that over 5 billion videos are watched on YouTube every single day? 5 billion. There's no question about it. YouTube is where people are at, and this has created an incredible marketing opportunity. Now, people have been profiting from YouTube marketing for years. There are ways to really zero in on your target audience and build a following. And while getting started with marketing on YouTube isn't hard, you do need to know the right things to do. We'd love to share our YouTube marketing secrets with you. Simply fill out the form on this page to learn more.